Did you know that it's possible to merge two columns in Excel without losing data? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have prepared a table with first name column and last name column. And also full name column, where we will see the result. Firstly, specify the cell where you want to merge the data from first name and last name columns. Start typing =sign and concat function with open bracket. Then specify the cell where you have first name data. And add semicolon. Because we need to have our first name and last name separated, we will add a space this way. And again add semicolon. Then specify the cell where you have last name data. And then add close bracket. After setting these cells, press enter. And now you can drag down the function to fill remaining cells. And you can see that it works. You've successfully learned how to merge two columns in Excel without losing data using the concat function in Excel, giving you more control over your data organization. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.